So let's talk a little bit about gender again, because you started your description of your story by recounting some of the extra odds that you had to get over. I read somewhere that 30% of your scientists are women, which is incredible. Should be 50%, but you'll get there. Can you talk about how you've seen that changing in India? The role of women in science, in companies or anywhere else? Yeah.
So, when I started the company, I had a sort of a two-pronged objective. One was, of course, for scientists to feel excited about pursuing a career in India, a research career in India. And the second one was for women. I wanted women to be pursuing careers, and I thought I could provide them that safe haven for them to get interested in pursuing careers. After 40 years, I feel I haven't quite achieved that second objective. Because although 30% of my researchers are women, and I'm seeing more women get into that fold, and I'm sure that in another few years you'll get to that 50% level, I still find that in the rest of our organization, I find it very, very difficult to get women to lead
Outside of R&D.
Outside of R&D. So like, for instance, manufacturing, finance, admin, those kind of things. Okay, you will get a few women, but I want women in leadership roles. I'm not getting them. Like even specialized roles like regulatory, quality. Now, these are roles which you should find women doing. And yet I find it very difficult to get people. And since you're playing in a global kind of arena, you want people with experience and expertise. And there are very few women who actually fit that kind of a role. So I would like more women to play that role. And yet I know that in the past, when I actually started Biocon, the head of quality was a woman. The head of HR that I had was a woman. The head of even one part of my manufacturing I had was a woman. So, you do have very strong women,
right.
but they're few and far between. And therefore, I thought that, when I'm looking for now these high-end talent, even though I order my HR folk to make sure that they give preference to women, there are very, very few women to choose from.
It almost feels like one has to start earlier in the value chain developing talent.
So that's something which I'm hoping for, because at least we've started something under our corporate social responsibility. We've started the Biocon Academy.
Okay, what's that?
And that's like a finishing school. So I'm taking a lot of young, raw talent and shaping them to be industry ready. There I find that 70% of the students we pick are women. So I'm hoping that they will change things as we move along.
And they will go not just to life science careers.
This is largely for life
Primarily
sciences.
life science
So they're being grabbed by all the life tech companies.